Mapagpalang araw muli, aking mga katoto. Hello there, mabuhay kayong lahat. At dahil nga AFP Day, December 21, nais ko pong i-share ang aking eksperyensya sa Itbulaga sa AFP Singing Soldier or Armed Forces of the Philippines Singing Soldier, wherein I joined and competed twice, 2 beses. Noong 1992, yun ang una kong i-share. So, doon nyo makikita na nanalo ko daily and then semifinals. Second, muntik na akong lumaban sa grand finals. 1992 AP Singing Soldier po yun. And yung portion nga, dahil VHS yun, sira na yung nag-second ako sa Air Force. As well as in the 1994 AP Singing Soldier, yung second time, papakita ko rin later sa inyo. At lagi pong ginaganap ang AP Singing Soldier every 21st of December or December 21. So mabuhay po ang ating mga kasundaluhan sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Yun lang po. At nawa, enjoy nyo. Malabo lang kasi VHS po yun dati. Kinuha yung video.
Pwede natin eh. Sige, balata mo na. Trumot mga kapatid! Okay, welcome to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, sir. The Singing Soldier 1992. Now on its next minute. The concert open to all duty personnel regardless of rank, provided he or she is not assigned to any major service band or combo or a part-time professional. Okay, at last week ko, nakita niyo ba silang nanalo sa Philippine Navy? And the week before that, Philippine Army. Tama, Philippine Army, Philippine Navy. Ngayon po naman ang Philippine Air Force, and on December 21 will be the grand final of the AFP Singing Soldier. Ito naman yung mga tao na nasa air. Ito naman yung mga nagpapalipad ng mga tora-tora. Tora-tora. Yan. Okay, our first contestant is from Basa Air Base, Pampanga. His military training is Basic Soldier Course Class 14, Standard First Aid Course, Law Enforcement Course, and Value Formation Course. Maraming course. The present unit assignment is Second Honor Guard Headquarters Service Command Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo. He's going to sing isang dugo, isang lahi, isang musika. One blood, one race, one music. Galing! Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Airman Second Class Neil Dinan Neto. Thank you very much, Airman Second Class Neil Metal. Ganda ng pangalan niya. Metal na Neil Binan. Parang diamond, ano? Binan. Metal. It's a diamond. Very English, you know? Yeah, it's very foreigner. Foreigner. Okay, our next contestant is 26 years old. Prize winner will receive 1,000 pesos. The second prize, 1,500. And the champion for today will receive 2,500 pesos. Okay, let's call back our contestant. Okay? But before we call them back, we would like to call the person who will award the cash prize for today, Captain Rodrigo Batumbacal, Project Officer of Philippine Air Force. Okay. Contestant number 1, Airman Second Class Neil Metal. Contestant number 2, Airman Second Class Edgar Derrick. Contestant number 3, Airman First Class Ignatius Fontanilla. Today's winner will receive 2,500 pesos. Okay. Third place is contestant number 2, Edgar Derrick. Congratulations. Second place winner is contestant number 3. Congratulations to Airman Ignatius Fontanilla. And today's winner who will advance to the weekly finals is contestant number 1, Airman Second Class Neil Metal. Congratulations. Congratulations. You'll be back to the weekly finals in the ASP shirt for Senior Soldiers 1992. Stay with us. We'll just pause for a few while, but we'll be right back with more. Please go back.
So yun, semi-finally second place ako sa Air Force Senior Soldier 1992 at ngayon naman nais kong i-show sa inyo yung nanalo ko as the representative or being the 1994 Philippine Air Force Senior Soldier. Hindi ko na nga lang mapakita yung Grand Finals dahil nasira na rin yung portion na yun dahil VHS pa. But I landed as a runner-up sa Grand Finals. I represented the Air Force, Philippine Air Force sa Senior Soldier 1994. So yun na, hindi mabubura sa entire life ko yung title na yun. And I'm so blessed to have that. But syempre, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, just simply hit or click the red subscribe button below. Yun lang po. And click like and share to others. Share. So mabuhay pong lahat at mapagpalang Pasko sa ating lahat at manigong bagong taon 2021. Okay? And be COVID-free. Ayun lang.
Sa kanyang kasalukuyang po sa kinatatayuan, siya po ay nasa Office of the Director for Operation Headquarters, 5th Fighter Wing, Basa Air Base, Pampanga. Kasalukuyan po siyang nasa Education Training Specialist, Military Training, Philippine Air Force Military Orientation Course, Fernando Air Base, Lipa, Batangas. Basic Military Training, Camp Kapimping, Tanay, Rizal. Microcomputer Operations Course, Law Enforcer Orientation Course, Standard First Aid Course, Value Formation Seminar.
Yun mo, nakuha pa niyang kumanta, no?
Oo.
Sa dami niyan.
Ito ay libangan na lang itong kanta. Anyway, sa kanyang pong aawitin, lang minsan lang kita iibigin.
Anyway,
nandito po, 25 years old na si Airman First Class Neil Dianon Metal.
okay, Edmund Moreno.
we receive 3,000 pesos. Ang ating second placer naman ay 2,000 pesos. Ang third place, we receive 1,000 pesos.
Tawagan natin si Lieutenant Colonel, o si LT Col. Lieutenant Colonel Leonardo K. Tolentino, Philippine Air Force GSC, Commanding Officer, Air Force Civil Relations Center, Villamor Air Base, Pasay City, to award the cash prizes to today's winners. Ayun po siya, Colonel.
Okay?
Tawagan natin muli yung ating mga airman. Airman First Class Alfonso Torino Talo. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Airman First Class Neo Dino Metal. Pinsan lang kitang iibigin at Airman First Class Magno Reyes Retreta. Sana ay malaman mo.
Okay.
Mula sa third place.
Mula sa third place po ito. Third placer goes to contestant number 3.
Airman First Class Magno Reyes Retreta. Sana ay malaman mo. Third place. Yun. One step forward. Salute. Nagkamayan sila. Ito ngayon, pag in-announce natin second place, malam na nila. So,
Yes.
sabay-sabay na natin manata yan.
Sabay-sabay na natin. And the second place goes to contestant number 1.
And our winner for today is contestant number 2, Airman Neil Denon Metal.
Congratulations! You are winner. You will be back to join us again in the grand finals of the AFP Search for Singing Soldier 94.
Kami po ay magbabalik with the standard portion here.